Hi, English learner. Today, we'll practice simple daily greetings.
Hey dear, just listen, then repeat after us 3 times. Easy.
Like and subscribe if you're ready to speak with confidence.
Bookmark this video and share it with your class group. Let's start.
Hi, good morning. How are you today? Hi, good morning. How are you today?
Hey, I'm good, thanks. How about you? Hey, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
That's awesome. Did you sleep well last night? That's awesome. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept really well. What about you? Yes, I slept really well. What about you?
Same here. I feel so refreshed today. Same here. I feel so refreshed today.
Nice. So, what's your plan for today? Nice. So, what's your plan for today?
I'm going to study English and then meet my friends. How about you? I'm going to study English and then meet my friends. How about you?
I'll finish my homework first, then relax a bit. I'll finish my homework first, then relax a bit.
Sounds like a perfect day. Don't forget to take breaks, okay? Sounds like a perfect day. Don't forget to take breaks, okay?
Thanks for the reminder. You're so sweet. Thanks for the reminder. You're so sweet.
Aw, anytime. Hey, do you want to grab coffee sometime? Aw, anytime. Hey, do you want to grab coffee sometime?
I'd love to. When are you free? I'd love to. When are you free?
How about this weekend? Saturday afternoon? How about this weekend? Saturday afternoon?
Saturday works perfectly for me. Saturday works perfectly for me.
Yay! Let's meet at the cafe near the park at 2 p.m. Yay! Let's meet at the cafe near the park at 2 p.m.
Deal. I'll see you there, okay? Deal. I'll see you there, okay?
Yes, can't wait. Text me if anything changes. Yes, can't wait. Text me if anything changes.
Will do. Thanks for the lovely chat today. Will do. Thanks for the lovely chat today.
Me too. You always make my day brighter. Me too. You always make my day brighter.
Aw, you're the best. Talk to you later. Aw, you're the best. Talk to you later.
Bye. Take care and keep smiling. Bye. Take care and keep smiling.
Great job. You just practiced 11 simple greetings. Amazing.
Now repeat the whole session 2 more times. Practice makes perfect.
Comment done below when you finish today's challenge.
Subscribe for more 3-minute shadowing practices. See you tomorrow, English learner.